parang stands out for you na memory na nagulat ka na, ay, ganun pala yung impact ko, wala akong kaalam-alam?
Um, I think it would be my trips abroad for
abroad.
TFC. Walang particular moment, pero it's always those moments na may nag-a-approach sa akin at nagpapasalamat na, Jed, thank you. Thank you for your music. Thank you for your voice. Thank you for inspiring me. Thank you for giving me purpose to live. Yun yung mga ganun. Sabi ko, grabe, ganun pala yung impact ng music sa buhay ng tao. Sometimes we just take it for granted na parang we just look at it as entertainment.
Yes.
But sometimes pala, when I meet people who may mga pinagdadaanan na talagang they don't find purpose in life anymore, a little moment na marinig lang nila yung music ko or boses ko, iba pala yung impact ko sa kanila. So those are the things that really give me purpose na hindi ko makakalimutan na during times na gusto ko, ayoko na, pagod na ako, hindi ko na kaya, mahirap eh. But whenever I look back and listen to all these comments and all these feedback, it gives me more another push na, Jed, go, kaya mo pa, they still need you, parang ganun.